Hello, dear students. Today we'll be talking about sex determination in like whatever is given in your textbook in case of the insects like grasshopper, and then in case of humans, and then in case of birds, and then we have this honeybee. Honeybee is very important. So in case of the insects like grasshopper, you have male heterogamety. That means males are having X zero condition and females are having XX condition. Wherever you find the heterogamety, that means that particular sex is determining the sex. That particular sex is determining the sex. Like here, male is determining the sex of the future generation. And here, in case of human beings, here also you have XY in case of the males and XX in case of the females. Here also the male determines the sex. So these are easy things. Here you have the 50-50% chances of forming a female or male child. And then in case of the birds, you have female heterogamety. This is an exception where you have female heterogamety. Other two, like insects and birds, which are given in your, sorry, insects and human beings, which are given in your textbook, they are having male heterogamety. But in case of the these birds, you have female heterogamety, where female will determine the sex of the child. Here, male is determining the sex. Here also male is determining the sex. Here, female is determining the sex of the child. Now, so this is easy stuff. Now let us talk about honeybee. Honeybee can be asked. Honeybee is very important. Like in honeybee, this is a special case. The parent, like it may be female or it may be male. These females, they are developed by fertilization itself. Fertilization happens between male and female. That's why you have two sets of chromosomes over here, 2n. This is a diploid set. Haploid set is 16. 16 is haploid set. So in case of the females, normal meiosis happens. That means gamete formation happens. So you have 16 and 16. Now from these 16, 116 will fuse with the sperm and it will form a female. 116 will fuse with a sperm from the male itself and it will form the female. That is 32. And 116 will directly undergo mitosis. It will undergo mitosis and form the male. So this process is called parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis. That means this male formation without the fertilization. Simply you can say males are haploid, 2n. They produce sperms by mitosis, not by meiosis. They do not have fathers. They cannot have sons. And they can have grandsons through their daughters. So this is all about this sex determination. I'll repeat this honeybee again. So you have a female where you have two sets of chromosomes. Why? Because in case of the females, the fertilization happens. The male fertilizes the female, and that's why the set is 32. And in this 32, meiosis happens. So 16, 16, 116 will develop into the male, and another 16 will get again fused with the sperm and form the female. So here, this male, it is having a single set of chromosomes, that is 16, and it will not undergo mitosis. It will not undergo meiosis. It will undergo mitosis. Through parthenogenesis, it will develop into the male. And then this male, when it fertilizes a female, it will form 32 chromosomes in female. And this female may be a worker or it may be a queen. Remember this stuff. This is very important. So this is all about sex determination. Whatever has been mentioned, 2-3 pages are there in the textbook about sex determination. So this is a summary of that.